Is here, sir. Food delivery. Time check, 5 p.m. lunch. I made the burger. Okay, be careful. Oh. Step back. Daddy will gonna move. There you go. Okay, I made the burger for the lovely Americano. I have a tomato here. Oh, nag-water yung and then, cheese. Okay. Okay. Veggie first. And that's a carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, beans.